India take on Zimbabwe at the MCG later this evening. But India may have already qualified for the semi-finals of the ICC T20 Cricket World Cup. The enthusiasm out here with the Indian spectators has not died down. You get to know who wins and who India plays in the semi-finals at the end of the match. Stay tuned for some more updates.
India has already qualified for the semi-finals, and this match is of academic interest. Nevertheless, India should not be complacent because Zimbabwe is a good team, and this tournament has seen quite a lot of upsets. Who expected this afternoon that South Africa will go down to Netherlands? Come on in the game. We are looking forward to a great game. Viva India!